Action cameras are becoming more and more common as a result of their versatility. Whether you are making regular films or exploring adventurous locations, an action camera can capture every moment you experience in detail. However, if you have a limited budget and are searching for the finest budget action camera, today's video will assist you in making the right decision. So, let's get started.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
At number 5, we'll be talking about the Akaso V50 Pro. In general, low-cost 4K action cameras should be approached with caution. But Akaso has broken the barrier with their budget action cam V50 Pro. It's super cheap yet covers all the basic spaces that an action camera might offer. Capable of 20 megapixel photos and 4K 30fps video, the Akaso V50 Pro storms into the low-budget segment with a bang. That's because it comes with a host of extras that you really shouldn't expect at this low price. On the camera itself, there's a 170-degree wide-angle lens, a large touchscreen, and a very welcoming quarter-inch tripod thread, something that GoPro doesn't offer, with the only exception being a mini USB slot for recharging its internal 1100 mAh battery. But don't worry, the mini USB cable is included inside the box. The V50 Pro's 4K video benefits from electronic image stabilization tech that does work better as you drop down to 2.7K per 30fps, or 1080 pixels per 60fps, and 720 pixel per 120fps videos. But 4K video is always watchable. In comparison to other action cams in this price range, it has a ton of options, including high-resolution slow-mo and time-lapse files. With built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the V50 Pro can seamlessly connect to your smartphone, giving you the opportunity to share your pictures and videos directly to social media. To sum up, if you're looking for a budget action cam to start your vlogging right away, then the Akaso V50 Pro can be a great one to start. Up next, we have the Akaso Brave 7 LE, which can be called as an impressive low-budget version of the DJI Osmo Action. Akaso has changed the budget action camera game with the Brave 7 LE. This is a cheap action camera with most of the features of a top-end model. These features include dual displays and weather-sealing rubber bungs over the two ports, which provide IPX7 water resistance without the use of a case. It's all you need unless you want to start snorkeling with your action camera. On top of that, a diving-style case with 40-meter waterproofing is included in the box. The Brave 7 LE also feels more high-end than any other camera we've seen around this price. The plastic used around the body of this camera feels top-notch quality. With the innovative dual-color screen design, you can change framing and monitoring views between back and front, especially when taking selfie videos, and the 2-inch back touchscreen makes it easier to use than ever. With a 20-megapixel sensor, this budget camera tops at 4K 30fps. You can perfectly recreate your moments without missing details and clarity. Also, it takes 20-megapixel still images too. This action camera is equipped with an improved 6-axis EIS, which can provide gimbal-like stabilization and greatly boost the stability and fluency of your recording. Other shooting options are 2.7K 60fps, 1080 pixels 120fps, and 720 pixel 240fps. The Brave 7 LE is Wi-Fi supported. It enables wireless photo or video sharing via Akaso Go app. It also comes with two 1300 mAh rechargeable batteries to extend your shooting time significantly. All in all, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is a perfectly balanced vlogging package with an affordable price tag. So it can be a great budget option for you. If ready-to-roll 4K footage is the main thing you're after, then the Kaiser Baas X450 can be a great option. In certain lighting conditions, this camera can catch up with the flagship GoPro cameras. Of course, this isn't an entirely fair comparison as GoPro black cameras have much wider angle lenses than the Kaiser Baas X450, but you'll be impressed by how much detail it can retain. The Kaiser Baas has great color processing, generally rendering warmer, more charming clips. Noise handling in low light is slightly better than its competitors. The 2-inch touch display makes it easy to frame shots, change settings, and playback footage. The X450 features multiple options for shooting video up to 4K video at 30 fps with a 160-degree field of view, providing still images of 14 megapixels. Its built-in gyro stabilization offers much stabilized footage than the previous two cameras that we discussed. You can also shoot at 1080 pixels 60 fps and 720 pixels at 120 fps. On top of that, the H.264 or H.265 codec videos ensure that you have the option for professional-grade video editing before uploading it into social media. The package includes a waterproof case so that you can shoot videos under 40 meters of water. You can use the company's KB Capture app to control your action camera and review footage. The bundle's battery has a capacity of 1050 mAh. The battery is rechargeable and can be fully recharged in 2.5 hours. Although the Kaiser Brave X450 is a bit more expensive than the previous ones, but it's worth every penny if you're looking for a quality action cam. If you want the absolute best battery life from your action cam, then the Akaso Brave 7 is the perfect match for you. The Brave 7 is teeming with a surprising number of features, including a fully waterproof body that won't require the assistance of a case to go 33 feet deep for 30 minutes, and a number of photo and video shooting modes to satisfy even the more experienced shooters. It may not have all the fancy trimmings of a GoPro Hero, but it definitely delivers where it matters. The Akaso Brave 7 boasts some premium design aspects. There's a rubberized finish on the sides that's finely textured for a better grip, an IPX8 water resistance rating, and 2 screens, the front of which is great for vloggers and video selfies. As an action camera, the Brave 7 certainly delivers, offering video recording up to 4K at 30 fps and a clear, sharp image quality that's more than good enough for vlogs. Those who want lower resolution footage will also be able to shoot at 2.7K at 30 fps, 1080 pixels at 60 fps, 720 pixels at 120 fps. Apart from the wide variety of resolutions and frame rates, there are 4 additional video shooting modes including slow motion, time-lapse, still photo, and driving mode. The Brave 7 is powered by a 1350 mAh cell that can last up to 110 minutes of continuous shooting, making it a beast performer for professionals in terms of battery life. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7 maintains a low price point while maximizing features, many of which are not found in its cheaper competitors. Finally, at number 1, we have chosen the GoPro Hero 7 Wide as the best budget action cam for today's video. Although it was released in 2018, still this camera maintains the highest standard of what features an action cam must possess. The Hero 7 Wide is compatible with most GoPro accessories, including the brand's extensive mount and housing range, so the newer gear should work fine with the Hero 7 too. The camera is tough, tiny, and always up for any adventure. It is also shock and waterproof up to 10 meters. The responsive, sunlight-friendly 2-inch touchscreen provides rapid access to playback and settings. A built-in non-removable battery dishes out around 2 hours of use per charge. Keeping things simple, the Hero 7 Wide offers just 2 filming resolutions, 1440 at 1080 pixels at 30 or 60 fps, as well as 10 megapixel stills. From board to bike, the footage is crisp and vibrant, and the famous optical image stabilization helps keep your clips smooth when things get turbulent. Its auto low light mode works incredibly well when shooting in darker situations, like under a tree canopy. Furthermore, the Hero 7 captures high-quality 10 megapixel photos, And with burst mode, you can capture 15 photos in 1 second, making sure you never miss a moment. The GoPro mobile app lets the camera instantly share photos with your smartphone so that you can keep your Fox updated instantly. Another premium feature of this camera is the voice recognition mode. When your hands are too busy to click photos, your voice command can instantly trigger the camera in action mode, which is a quite unique feature as a budget cam. Plus, the built-in 1220 mAh lithium-ion battery should serve you enough time to capture your favorite moments. To summarize, the premium features of the GoPro action camera are available at a much lower cost than the Hero 7 Wide. As a result, it is the best camera available in the budget camera segment. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.